Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to transfer a file from one server to another server using SCP command. For this, here we have two servers. The server names are which is Jenkins, another one is app server. So I already logged in these two servers. This is my Jenkins server and this is my app server. So for this, you should need SCP. You can check whether SCP is installed or not using SCP command. For this, you can use SCP command to check. So I hear it having SCP. Also, you can see in this server we have SCP. So you should install both server SCP. Then only you can able to perform this operation. Let's see how we can transfer this file from one end to another end. For this, you should need your PEM key to log in your remote server. If you don't know how to log in your remote server using SSH, I am giving the icon in the upside. You can go and check this video. Let's see how we can transfer this file using SCP command here. You can create any file name using touch command like this hello.txt. So here I have created more file name which is hello.txt. So I'm going to transfer this file from this server to my app server. So for this I'm going to use OPT folder. So this is my OPT folder, and in this OPT folder, let's see the permission ls-la. You can see here the permission, it's having only read and execute access. I'm going to change the permission for this directory as read write execute. You can see here now we have read write execute option. So now we are going to transfer this hello.txt to app server OPT folder. For this you have to use SCP command. So follow this command SCP-I and your key name for your remote server. So in my case the key name is Jenkins key.pem. So and then -r your file name hello.txt. What is the flavor of your server? It is Ubuntu, and you have to specify the public IP and then colon your directory details OPT. Enter. You can see here now we have transferred our file from Jenkins server to app server. You can see here we have transferred our hello.txt to here. Same as I can create one more file. So like this, you can use SCP command to transfer your files from one server to another server. So if you find this video is helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow me for more videos. Thanks for watching.